Most gardeners make the same mistake every spring. They plant way too much. A few tomato plants turn into 20. One zucchini plant becomes 6. And before they know it, they're spending hours maintaining a garden their family can't possibly eat from. Here's a better approach. Grow what your family actually eats. If nobody likes eggplant, don't dedicate a quarter of your garden to eggplant. If your family loves salads, focus on lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and herbs. Remember this, one healthy zucchini plant can produce more zucchini than many families can use. The goal isn't to grow the biggest garden. The goal is to grow the most useful garden. Less work, less waste, more enjoyment, and more food that actually gets eaten. What crop do you always plant too much of? Let me know in the comments. Follow the Wormy Garden for more practical gardening tips.